going on, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Chowtime with Chau. I'm your host, Chau. Alright, so I had a snack that someone told me I had to try. Microwavable pork rinds. I don't know how good this thing is, but let's go pop it in the microwave and give it a try. Alright, be right back. Very interesting. It's like popcorn, but not popcorn. It's pork rinds. Like my reflection. You're welcome. Alright, so I'm back. I actually got me some drinks too. These are the Coke Marshmallow limited edition ones. I'm not sure you guys ever seen these. It is a zero version and a regular version. And it's like watermelon, strawberry flavored Coke with other natural flavors. So I got both versions, regular and Coke Zero. Look at it is though, popped up like popcorn. Smells good. Look at it. Just like any pork rinds, right? You hear it still popping. Hey y'all, I am a believer. I am a believer of microwave pork rinds. These are nice. Crispy, nicely flavored. Lightly salted. It's pretty good. Alright. But let's wash it down with this marshmallow Coke. One is zero and one is regular. Let's start with the regular. Watermelon, strawberry, and other flavors. Cheers. You can smell the watermelon and strawberry. This is a nice little mixture of watermelon and strawberry. It doesn't really taste like watermelon, but more like a strawberry, like a Fanta. I'm not sure if you guys remember Fanta. That's what it tastes more like. Not bad, not bad. Let's try the zero version. Cheers. Less sweet, more light flavor than the regular. Definitely not bad. Not bad. But I am a believer of the pork rinds. If you ever get a chance to find it at Walmart or whatever you shop at, I found these at Walmart, and I think they were like $1.50, something like that. And they're fantastic. I would actually buy them again. Chau approve on that one. The Cokes, I think I'll just stick with Coke Zero. I'm a big fan of just regular Coke Zero. These were good, but I will just stick with Coke Zero. It is a cool can though. Look at that cool can. So yeah, I mean it's Chau approved, but is it that good? It's okay. Oh yeah, try it. Let me know what y'all think about it. But definitely get the pork rinds. That was very surprising how good that was. Alright y'all, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy these snacks, and hope you guys continue to watch, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ooh, excuse me. Remember, it's always Chowtime.